Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to Hidden Castle, which is a place about 90 kilometers away from Hyderabad, and we thought we'll take you along. So vlogging the entire day. It's already 2 o'clock. We're going to be reaching before 3 there. We're almost on the way. It takes about 2 hours to reach, depending upon which area you live in. So yeah, let's take you along. So this is the entrance of the place.
Continue for 800 meters.
It's very pretty. Hi guys, so it took us complete 2 hours to reach from Hyderabad to this place. Place looks so pretty. I'm gonna give you the tour. We've just reached the parking now. This is the place to go in.
No fish is also there.
Go in. There's a way to food.
This is one fish.
Dog's excited. And hopefully we're gonna be seeing our friends. This is how the place is looking like, which is so pretty, so cute. So we've come from that way, and when you turn around is what you see. Hi guys, we just had food because obviously खाना बंद होने वाला था, तो हमने आते ही पहले खाना खाया. Now we are just getting into our rooms and then change and then get back to activities. This is the way to go up. Changed and we're going for the activities now. My eyes are burning a lot. I don't know for what reason, and because I'm going through a skin treatment, I've also applied like a lot of sunscreen, and that's what is glowing. I'm waiting for him. And this is the pool and some water rides.
वो ही नीचे आ जाना है.
अभी हम ये एक्टिविटी करने वाले हैं. There's so much. So basically we're wearing shorts, and उसने पहले हमें मना कर दिया कि यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि पैर पे लग जाएगा. So he said it's our headache, लगना करना, फिलहाल हमें करने दो. So we're going to cross this one. Guys, we are done with this. This was quite adventurous and nice. काफी मजा आया. जल्दी like जिसका first time होता है उसको थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, but otherwise तो कुछ नहीं है. Rohi has just calmed down. How was it for you?
Very easy.
लो भैया आप
Very easy. Don't say that.
I did it.
Huh? You did it. Yes, you did it. Good. Sona, how was it?
Awesome. Very nice.
Sona is Yodha.
कूदने से पहले
मुझे लगा उसने बहुत लंबा बनाया था, सीधा कर देना था, यहीं खत्म कर देना था।
मतलब ये सेकंड लेवल वालों के लिए रख सकते हैं, बेसिक वालों के लिए वो पीछे छोटा।
सीढ़ी यहाँ से वहाँ जाओ, उधर
बस
से नीचे
उधर
उतर
से
जाओ,
बाकी।
फिर मैं सीढ़ी बना।
नहीं तो एक बीच में रास्ता रख देना चाहिए जिसको उतरना क्विट करना है, नहीं?
तुम आप उनको खोल सकते थे।
खास कीजिए, छोड़िए। ओ छोड़ना पड़ेगा, जाएगा तो। और की प्रिया,
प्रिया,
और की
प्रिया,
और की
भैया बोलो गाइड तो करो।
बच्चों के साथ ऐसी जगह पे This is without flash I'm trying to capture. It's just so pretty. पूरा dark है यहाँ पे. And the only thing that you see is the moon, which looks like a bulb, of course. देखो क्या हरकत है. This is so scary.
सेटअप करा सकते हैं।
डिसाइड कर रहे हैं बर्थडे बॉय का बर्थडे सेटअप कहाँ करवाना है. गौरव कहाँ करवाना है आपका? हैप्पी बर्थडे गौरव.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ इनका केक
हैप्पी बर्थडे गौरव.
थैंक यू।
Where is the moon? Oh,
फुल
yes.
मून।
जो भी बोलती है सिर्फ कैमरा के पीछे से बोलती है। ये है गौरव की वाइफ। हाँ सुना, इतनी शिद्दत से एकदम 30th बर्थडे के बलून लेके जा रही। डर्टी 30। अभी ये सारा बर्थडे प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है, एडजस्टमेंट। बर्थडे बॉय इज देख रहा है टेबल उसके हिसाब से है या नहीं। What's up guys, cake cutting is done. Now we're going for a magic show. Not sure if you're gonna watch it, but we're going for it. But the property in the night is just so
Very
pretty.
beautiful. All the lighting and everything, it's so pretty here.
Yeah, I mean the lightings are adding a lot to this place. Like here is a better lighting, and yeah, now we're gonna go and watch. We're gonna go and watch the magic show. अभी हम ऊपर बैठ के मैजिक शो देख रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ से हमें सारी ट्रिक्स दिख रही है।
रब रब कर दी रे मैं दर्दी, रब रब
पता चल जाएगा फिर वो बोलेगा। मस्त है।
So we're just going for a walk right now. I really like this particular area of this place, and look at the moon. We are having breakfast now. Hi guys, good morning. This is next morning here, that is 20th of December, and we are just going upstairs now. We've had our breakfast. We're going upstairs to kind of get ready because we have some work there. Warangal. So we both of us are going there, and everybody else would be going back home. Just had food. The food was okay. I mean, food here is not that great. and services are literally zero. Service के नाम में यहाँ
बिल्कुल
पे
भी
कुछ
खास
नहीं है.
बिल्कुल भी
They,
नहीं है.
the staff is not at all like, you know, they're not ready to help you with anything. They're very poor communicators. They were I mean, they had excuses for almost everything that we were asking for. And रात को 10 बजे, you know, things were closed.
Yeah,
ये
and
नहीं,
they-
वो नहीं, सब कुछ.
Exactly. बहुत सारे restrictions थे, तो इसलिए इतना खास जगह नहीं है.
Property
Ambience is good, yeah. The property is good.
Interior, exteriors are
Everything
like
is
really
good.
But yeah, that's the thing.
All the activities also got shut by 5:30 in the evening yesterday, and at times like कल high tea के time भी we had to wait for the tea, and आज breakfast के time भी we had to wait a lot for the tea. So overall, stay wise a good experience, but
Food and services not good. I mean, obviously you go out to kind of chill and experience the good services, right? But that's not what we got here. But on another note, we really hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and we'll see you next time.